Alrighty, guys. Good morning. I'm taking time on my busy schedule to do this video for you guys. We need to get our butts down to Ardmore. So I'm in Oklahoma City, in a cul-de-sac at a dead-end street. See if anybody can guess where I'm at. If you're from here, you've been around here, you know exactly where I'm at, where I'm shooting this video, which is perfect because like nobody comes back here. So we put rock lights on the beast. When I was in search for my lights and stuff, I come across these on Amazon, and I didn't even know what rock lights were. And after watching some videos and stuff uh, on YouTube, I was like, I gotta put some of these on the beast. I mean, how fucking bitchin' is this gonna be? You know? I mean, look at that. That's just dope. It's just flash, little remote control. You can be like, wait, you gotta get closer. You gotta get closer. Check it out. You could be like fucking strobe it or fade, whatever that one is. There's the strobe one, the flash. Then you like can change the speed, everything. I love it. All right, so let's go over what we did here, and I'll show you guys these things. Alrighty, guys. So here we go, take number 2. So we're up in OKC, and we already did this part of the video, but thanks to my crazy phone, it didn't save it. So we are here, and we're going to do it again because there's a good chance we'll hit rain today like we do all the time down here. And so I don't want to I want to take a chance, hit rain, then the truck get all dirty, and then just make this video look bad, you know? We don't want that. So, like we said, we put some rock lights on the big truck here. Need to get with it. And what we did, it's not the fanciest kit. It's an LED RGB light kit I got off of Amazon. It's got 8 pods, and it was only about 150 bucks. But you know, it Bluetooths to your phone, um, and then it come with a remote, which I like that, especially for like now when I'm talking to you guys and can't really can't really be changing the stuff with the phone. And and it'll do like 4 different functions where it'll strobe and flash, and you know what, it's got like smooth, and then you can change the speed, you know, like you want to flash quick like that, change the, and then it'll strobe like that. So I really kind of like that one. Then you can change the speed, you know, as far as how fast it goes. Well, you're supposed to be able to. You know the problem with the you know the problem with doing this in the dark is see how, okay, see how it slows down. But like I said, we got 8 pods. We did 4 underneath the sleeper, 2 underneath the hood right there, 1 underneath the catwalk, and then another one in between the drives. Look at how you can see the drive shaft light up on the road. I like that. That's cool. And then it'll just cycle through all the colors there. Like I said, then you can change as far as the speed of how fast it does that as well. And so I'll show you where we mounted these things. So the pods themselves, the lights, the LED lights, they come with about a 10-foot lead on them. And you can buy extra leads. I bought 4 of them because my truck's a 285-inch wheelbase. I like it when it's all red. It's got like the underglow. She looks all angry. Um, but like I was saying, I bought 4 10-foot extension leads. I actually only wind up using 3. We used 2 of them for each one of the fronts, and then the other one we had to use for the one we put underneath the rear end. And the 4 underneath the sleeper, and then the one underneath the catwalk, we were able to I don't know if you guys can see under there. There's the pod right there. It lights up a pretty good wide base all the way over there, all the way out to here. They're pretty bright. And you can see right through here is where I went with all my wires. Put a piece of conduit up there and zip tied them together. And then the ones in the front, we just went right behind. We just went right behind the hood. On that little fairing piece that comes beneath the air cleaner, that's where we put them. And of course, you know, same position as far as front to back on each one of these. See if I can get a good shot underneath here, how it looks. So you can just see. Oh, sorry guys. See how it just lights up the ground? Lights up the underneath side of the truck. Pretty good. It's fun to switch them while you're driving down the road. I like fucking with guys, switching them. And so yeah, that's how it was. That's how it went. Pretty simple. The receiver box I put in front of the HVAC box underneath the bunk, like I said, that is not waterproof. The LED lights themselves are like an aluminum housing with like its impact resistant lens. So you can, they're waterproof, and they come with the rubber pads, so they're like kind of shock proof and stuff. And those you put wherever. Uh, I've been told you can even like put them on the bottom of your boat and stuff. But the receiver itself, um, when you look these up and it says wireless, it's wireless as in the receiver Bluetooth to your phone, or it comes with a remote. The pods themselves actually have wires that run to that receiver. So whether you get an 8 light, 6, 4, or 16, you are going to have to run some wires to get it wired up. But pretty simple. Only took me about 2 hours to install it, and I just love it, the way it came out. And I've been using it, playing with it all night tonight. Fart from figuring out. I like the blue too. I think the blue shines up good, and I like how it shines right off the tanks. So, alrighty guys, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, appreciate y'all for watching. You stay safe out there and keep the shiny side up, and we'll catch you on the next vid.